In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to protect your passwords with Dashlane. By the end, you'll have the essential security features turned on so your vault is safer and faster to access without adding unnecessary friction to your day. Start by going to Dashlane. Open the app or the web version in your preferred browser and make sure you're on the main dashboard. Give the page a second to load so all menu items appear. Once you're in, look toward the top left of the screen for your profile area. It may show your initials or a small avatar icon. Click that to open your account menu. If your window is narrow, you might need to maximize it to see the full menu. Dashlane can collapse certain elements on smaller screens. From that account menu, click on Settings. This is where you control how Dashlane behaves, including privacy and security. When Settings opens, navigate to the section labeled Security Settings. This page is the heart of today's walkthrough. Here you'll enable 3 protections that work together: biometric unlock, PIN unlock, and two-factor authentication. Let's begin with biometric unlock. Turn this on to use your fingerprint or face recognition for quick, secure access. Dashlane will follow your device's built-in security, so you'll see a prompt from your operating system to confirm. Biometrics don't replace your master password. They simply allow you to unlock more conveniently while keeping the same level of protection. If your device doesn't support biometrics, this option may be grayed out, and that's normal. Next, enable PIN unlock. This gives you a fast, offline-friendly way to reopen Dashlane after it auto-locks without entering your full master password every time. When choosing a PIN, make it something memorable but not obvious, and avoid reusing a PIN you use elsewhere. Think of it as a quick gate that complements your master password and biometrics, not a substitute for them. Finally, turn on two-factor authentication. With 2FA enabled, logging in will require a one-time code in addition to your password, which significantly reduces the risk of unauthorized access. Dashlane will guide you with on-screen instructions to finish setup, often by scanning a code with an authenticator app or confirming another method. Follow what you see, and be sure to keep any recovery information in a safe place so you're not locked out if you change devices. That's it. You've gone to Dashlane, opened your profile, entered settings, and in security settings turned on biometric unlock, PIN unlock, and two-factor authentication. These layers work together to keep your vault secure while staying convenient. If you ever make changes to your devices, revisit these settings to confirm everything stays enabled.